Hi guys, this is Melanie here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to customize your Mommy and Me t-shirts. So we just launched some super cute matching Mommy and Me tees. They're unisex tees, so they're t-shirts that can be worn by men or women or boys or girls, but I'm going to show you guys how to do some cute quick cuts and make them extra fun. So first I'm going to start with the Zumba Mama tee, and I'm going to cut the shoulders out to give it the cold shoulder look. You could do this to any t-shirt. So I'm going to start right in the middle of the neck to the shoulder seam, and I'm going to cut in a diagonal cut straight towards the sleeve. See, just like that. Then I'm going to start about like 2-3 inches down and cut towards the point that I already cut. I'm going to do that on both sides. If you're not sure, you want to make it even, you can always use this as your guide, lay it on top, and then just cut the same part out. And then that's it. Gives you your cut. Then for the length, these are a little bit long, so what I like to do is cut them at a curved hem. It's really flattering. You can just start kind of like 3 to 4 inches depending how long you want it. I do it in one cut. You can mark it first inside out, or you can cut it in half. So I just go like this towards the front, and I'm just going to cut like a U shape. Again, if you want to cut the same on both sides, you can fold it over and then just keep following your cut. And there you have cold shoulder rounded hem mama tee. Now for your little Zumba Junior, we're going to do the same thing for the sleeve. So we're going to start right at the middle and go towards the armhole seam, and then cut from here and meet the point of where you already cut. I'll use this as my guide and bring it to the other side. And then for girls, to do something a little bit more fun, we're gonna fringe the bottom. So first I'm gonna cut off the hem, because if the hem is there, the fringe won't come out nice and thin and rolled. And then we're just gonna fringe the bottom. You're just gonna cut straight up and go all the way across. This takes a little bit more time. It doesn't have to be perfect. Bear with me here. We'll get there. That's fun. Now we have matching shirts for mama and the baby. That's it.